guys, I'm on TradingView and let's start the analysis and dive into the strategy. So, for today's strategy I'll need only one indicator from a specific author. Let me tell you right away, it's an awesome indicator that I use very often. This indicator is based on AI and includes several indicators that analyze volume and moving average. So, the indicator also includes these elements, and as I mentioned earlier, it studies the historical data and movement to give clear predictive signals. Let's analyze a signal for opening a long position. We are interested in this green triangle, and when you see the signal, you can open a long position on the appearance of the next candle or the one after that. The stop should be set at previous structural level that you find most suitable for yourself. After that you can set your take profit. As you can see, this long position closed at nearly 1:4 risk-reward ratio. Now for opening a short position you are looking for a red triangle and the process is exactly the same. So when the next candle appears that you take profit, and the stop loss should be set at the previous structural high if you're opening a short position. As you can see, the short position would have worked out successfully. Through testing the strategy, I found that the most optimal opening are at 1:2 and 1:3 risk-reward ratio. So with a 1:3 being rare, mostly I open trades at 1:2. In addition to the red and green triangles, there are also red and green circles that can signal certain movement. If you see a green circle with green volumes above your moving average, it indicates that the movement is likely to go upward with a certain parameters. You can use these signals as well, which also applies to red circle, but the main signals of course come from the triangles, as basic as that may sound. I think you get the idea of how the strategy works. It's actually very simple, and I've shown you examples of opening short and long positions. On the Bitcoin to dollar chart, today I'll be trading on Forex, opening position on currency pairs using the 15-minute time frame. I'll demonstrate several variations of entry setups, and let's dive into the analysis and find the most optimal entry point, guys. GBP/USD currency pair, I've already set my stop loss and take profit, and I'll be opening the trade with a 1:2 risk-reward ratio. I just got a signal to open a long position, and let's see how the signals plays out, guys. Adding $200 to my bank account, and the signal was completely accurate. And let's continue the analysis and find another position. So let's look at the AUD/USD currency pair. A signal for opening a short position just came in, and let's set up the trade right away. I'll place the stop loss at the structural high and open the position with a 1:2 risk-reward ratio, and let's see how this trade turns out. So my short position was also successful, adding another $200 to my bank account. Let's analyze another interesting entry point and continue our trading session. GBP/JPY currency pair, a short position signal has come in, and I've already set my take profit and stop loss. I'll be opening the trade with a 1:2 risk-reward ratio, and let's see if the signals plays out. My short position was also successful, guys. Another positive trade completed. Let's pick another long position. So guys, I got a signal in the form of a green circle indicating that the uptrend will continue, and this is a rather tricky signal. It's not 100% signal. I've chosen a relatively wide range of movement. Still, I'm opening the trade with a 1:2 risk-reward ratio. Let's see, guys. The long position was also successful, and after the trade there was a strong upward movement. Perhaps a market news even triggered the dynamics, but as you can see, the uptrend continued and my analysis were both correct. Today's trading has added $800 to my bank account, which is an excellent result. This is an amazing strategy that I use very often, and I'm always satisfied with the result. If you have any questions, you can always find a link to my Telegram in the video description and ask me anything. Okay, I'll do my best to help everyone. Have a great day and see you soon, guys.